Yep. Okay, people. Hello. Guess where we going with the ladies? This is their first time.
It's not my first time.
Up to the Hollywood sign?
First time.
It's not your first time? Have you been there?
I have a picture at the same spot right here.
Oh, really? Are you excited to be back? How many years ago was that, though?
You tricked us.
2 years?
2
years ago.
2 years ago? Aww.
It's a beautiful spot.
This is the first time
I'm not any less, you know what I'm saying?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Charlotte, are you happy?
This is actually my first time.
Oh, Charlotte.
So I'm excited. And look at the sign.
Okay.
We are getting closer and closer.
That's right. Ah. Hello. That's right.
Something about like I couldn't wear these outfits because of quarantine. It was like a little dog.
Oh, wow.
It was cute, and they kept putting on different outfits. Caution. There's so much caution out here. I know. They're like, you might fall.
And then you go this way.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You have to turn it this way. Yes.
Oh my lord.
Try to stick to your side of the road.
Oh wait. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh goodness. Such sharp turns.
Yep. This is us making our way to Hollywood side.
Curvy swervy.
Curvy swervy.
Make that up.
Wow, guys,
Okay.
the curves. I'm turning into the street.
No.
now.
What do I do now?
Turn into this part driveway.
Look at that little window with the flowers.
So cute.
Just because you drive a
Okay.
We're gonna follow these cars. We're gonna turn with the cars. That Jeep needs space.
It's cars.
It's smart that they have this gate so you don't get distracted.
Yeah, and then we'll just park and do our thing. There we go. Oh, there's the sign right there, right behind us.
Why are you on the... Why is he passing this orange line almost hitting me?
You about to back up, Charlie?
Oh, we're ready to walk up this hill with our flats.
She said we're
And
ready.
we're ready to go. We, as in all of us, to go walking up and take a picture at the Hollywood sign.
Wait till they see the walk.
Do it. Let's do it. Okay.
The walk is way shorter than it could have been.
Hey guys, so we are making our way to the Hollywood sign. We're gonna take pictures. I'm with Charlotte and Simone, and the lighting is so beautiful this way. So it's Charlotte's first time here, and it's our first time here all together. So it's gonna be special. This one's for the books.
Yep.
Yeah. Guys, the walk. We're gonna be walking up to the sign. How did you girl feel about that? You don't want to know, but it's because of parking. Today's Valentine's Day, so people are out on dates. The street is full of cars. I'm going to show you, and yeah, we are literally going to walk to the Hollywood sign and then go to the beach.
It's 3:38.
Okay, and we're off to Santa Barbara after here.
It's
Santa
45
Barbara.
minutes.
Ooh, Santa Monica. You know, it's been a long day, y'all. It's been a long day. Guys, we've been listening to Sierra's Level Up. We're literally leveling up. You have no idea. The steep here is wild. This is a steep road.
Should we have like a time that we should leave?
We're just gonna take pictures and get going.
Take pictures. Yeah.
Pictures and dip. That's what we are going to do. Ladies, are you excited? Tell the people at home what you're looking forward to.
I'm looking forward for the pictures.
Mm-hmm.
Seeing all these lovers on the grass.
Guys, couples are sitting on the grass. People are snuggling, and it's Valentine's Day.
I'm ready to see a, proposal.
True.
I'm ready.
We're seeing photo shoots and stuff.
Ready
So,
to be a no.
oh yes.
What
Someone
about
might propose.
Simone? What are you expecting? What are your expectations?
For this Hollywood sign?
Yeah, for this occasion.
I do want to see the lovers. I've been to this park right here though, where the grass is.
Uh huh.
So I do want to see that and get a picture. picture that way. That'll be dope.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah.
That's it. Do you guys like it here in LA?
Yes. I like warm weather.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
LA. Can't believe. Let me not sing that song. Copyright. Right, we're walking up. Woo! Already catching my breath, y'all. Rain's blowing, honey.
We need to get to this beach.
Cars on cars. It's wild. This is the grass. Everybody's chilling. It is so packed. Couples on couples on couples. Stop there. No. Stop there. No, we're walking. It's way further.
So how do we get there?
No, we're going up there. We're gonna take a picture there. Not here. You'll see where we're going first look. There's your first look of the Hollywood sign, and everyone's here. Lake Hollywood Park. Couples, happy Valentine's Day, people. They're helping take pictures for awesome people.
Working hard.
What's going on? If they hear your breath, what must they know?
You must know that I'm working very hard to get to this picture.
Simone, how you doing?
Man, we out here. We made it.
This is the spot.
Making it.
This is the spot for the pictures.
Perfect.
Here we go. Just made it. You know what? We could just jump here and let we go. And Charlotte. So it's Charlotte's first time here, and I'm so happy to be here with her for the first time. Charlotte, how do you feel? What experience?
I feel super fresh. The air is fresh. And also,
The air does feel good.
yeah, I'm happy. You can take a picture here. Never been here before. So.
Yeah. Is it what you expected?
No, I didn't know what to expect, but this is really nice.
Glad. Okay, so I'm about to take her pictures because it's her first time here, and I'm just happy that Charlotte is here. It's windy, but you know we're doing our thing. We at the Hollywood sign, baby.
Okay, come on, Charlotte.
You want your bag or what,
I
bro?
go like here,
Why is your screen so
here,
dark?
or here. Tell me where to go
Why is your screen so dark?
because I turned it down because I want my battery to go down.
I want to make sure the pictures I'm taking are crisp.
Bum.
Good.
I guess I can pause now.
Okay, taking pictures of Charlotte.
Is it here? Is here good?
Yep, perfect.
Wait.
I'm gonna take Brad. Okay, smile. You're gonna love these. It's a good flow. Okay. Ooh, that's my girl. That's the Hollywood sign.
Yes.
Who that? Do you know her? Which girl is this? Who is this flame? Keep it, honey. Keep it. I don't think it's fine.
When your photographer's a hype man too.
Come on, Charlotte, you're gonna love this picture. Are you listening to me? Listen, you're slaying. That's right, baby.
I'm
Hello.
gonna do your poses.
They must know you in Hollywood, babes. Okay? Come look. Who that? Do you know her? Who is she?
My Lord Jesus, look at that.
They're beautiful. Look at these pictures. Who that? Do you know her? Oh, I do. That's Charlotte.
Look at that hair.
It's perfect. Do you love
Blowing in
it?
the wind.
Look at that. Look at that.
I like it.
They're beautiful. Okay. Simone, you're next, honey.
Appreciate you.
I'm
sorry.
straight.
I got tears in my eye.
The hair.
We are here, honeys. I'm back.
That wind.
I'm back, honey. The wind is blowing my braids, but sis is still on shine. Because you know I'm the light of the world. Hello, Hollywood. Destiny meets Hollywood. How does that sound? Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Obviously the roads have changed now. And
Okay, it's windy, but did you have fun here at the Hollywood sign?
Hi.
Yeah, how do you feel? Let's come this way because the shade is there. There's a sign behind
First of
us.
all, look how cute that dog is.
Simone, join in. Oh, there's a baby. Guys, I love dogs so much.
Okay, hi.
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 How was your experience as someone
was
who's here for the
great.
first time? Tell me.
Great. It was really nice.
Yeah.
Little windy. But we made new friends, by the way.
Yeah, they're like family.
We're already, we got each other's addresses and everything. So
Okay.
yeah. So they're, we're good. No, yeah. So we found a family to take our pictures. We
Yeah.
took their pictures.
Uh-huh.
So it was really cool.
Yeah.
Great.
It's windy though, but it's good.
Yeah, it's super windy, guys. Like, it's really, really windy, but the pictures panned out to be, they turned out amazing. They're really good. And of course, it's special because we're all here together. We came all the way from Northern Cali to come pay your girl a visit, and we all came here. So now we're making our way to Santa Monica, to the pier, and we'll keep you guys posted. Alrighty, toodles from us. Guess who is in Santa Monica with her girls? That's right. This is where we at. I see the cops on no. We block the cops too.
Okay. Well, I didn't know he was right in front of me.
Also, why are you guys standing here? That's so awkward.
Yeah. So am I here?
Where's the pier?
Why
are we here? We're not.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. It looks like
We're on a different side. The pier's back there. No, it's because we missed the turn, and I think it tried to. Well, it's taking us to Santa Monica Beach, not the pier.
Oh,
I
didn't know
think you typed in
that.
beach and not
I
pier.
didn't know that.
Yeah.
Can you redo it?
Yeah, sure. I'll type in pier.
bubblegum.
Did you love Forrest?
Gump. I
This is
love
a quote
Forrest
from
Gump.
Forrest Gump. That's his luggage. And you get to stick your feet in there and act like you're wearing his shoes. Apparently the food here is really good.
Stew,
Is
shrimp
it good?
kibosh,
Huh?
shrimp.
Remember Forrest's friend who was
shrimp
talking about shrimp?
Bubba. Get it? Bubba gum.
I've been there once.
You
It
get
was
it?
good. It was good. I would go again.
Bubba.
He wanted shrimp, black shrimp.
I would go again.
This top shrimp.
Shrimp.
I'm not really too
shrimp
much into
stew,
seafood
shrimp
though. So
kibosh,
I think I like
shrimp.
chicken. I'm not too into seafood, but I liked it.
Did you like it?
I got a meal that had no seafood.
Wow. So would you go back and eat there again?
Yes, I would. I would definitely go.
Still at the pier. Now we're gonna change because we want to go to Venice Beach, guys. So I'm gonna go get changed and wear my bikini.
Oh yeah, you need to go.
You look both ways first. Then you just walk, 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 walk. Bow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry.
It's the walk for me. It's the energy. It's the vibe. It's being at a pier in Santa Monica. Where you at?